Managers that always promise to make the numbers will at some point be tempted to make up the numbers. Warren Buffett, in his 2002 shareholders' letter, highlights an observation he made on managers from many businesses. The reality he found? There are no guarantees in business, and that's what we're diving into today. In the world of business, investors, board members, and the public often have high expectations. Managers, in turn, are expected to meet earnings estimates, maintain or increase stock prices, and generally keep the business on an upward trajectory. But here's the thing. This expectation can become a double-edged sword. Why? Because there's enormous pressure on managers to meet these expectations. When a company consistently hits or exceeds its projections, it creates a sense of confidence and reliability. But of course, a business, like life, is unpredictable. A sudden market downturn, a global pandemic, or a new competitor can turn the tables overnight. Yet the expectations remain. This is where Buffett's quote comes in. With high stakes and immense pressure for both investors and managers, the temptation to manipulate the numbers to meet expectations can creep in. After all, managers are human and can succumb to the allure of keeping up appearances, but this leads to a dangerous game of financial hide-and-seek, where the truth is obscured and investors are misled. When that expectation drives price to one extreme, volatility is bound to happen when those numbers are not met. As investors, it's critical to recognize that businesses aren't infallible, and neither are their managers. Don't get swept away by a company that always seems to make the numbers. Look at the larger picture, the market conditions, the company's business model, and competitive landscape. If the numbers seem too good to be true, they probably are. The bottom line is, there are no guarantees in any business, and unrealistic expectations can lead to unhealthy practices. So the next time you see a company consistently meeting or exceeding its projections, take a moment. Remember Buffett's words, dig a little deeper, and ensure you're not being led by made-up numbers. After all, investing is about making informed decisions based on realistic assessments, not about chasing illusions.